Yo, what's up, everybody? Um, I recorded the Ela Series 200 like a month ago now, but you know, the last like 10 of them, I did not put much effort in. So, and I felt like making another Ela Series. I feel like, I don't know. But yeah, I haven't played in a while. No, I played a bit yesterday though, but I haven't like seriously played in a while. I'm using a membrane keyboard now. Don't expect good gameplay right now, and my game is lagging like fucking crazy. Holy shit. Yo, my game has been lagging like so awful right now, like lately. It's pretty unfortunate, to be honest, My computer's like really fucked. Oh my gosh, yeah, this guy's shitting on me. And I'm an idiot too. That's awesome. I'm actually so stupid. Okay, I should have continued that, but I'm also, like, oh fucking no. Yeah. I want to play other games, but I have no idea what to play. Valid. Holy shit. Damn, am I getting shit on right now. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is gonna be a short one. Still, it's better than like a five minute Ela series. But whatever. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. I'm a stupid. Okay. Got some extra hits on Zactus. Holy shit. Okay, I'm getting up there, I'm getting some elo now, Come on. And I'm ass. Oh, where'd he go? Okay, bro. You don't gotta run. And I'm doo-doo fart, bro. I feel like I win this. Unless I don't. Very likely. Okay. GG. Oh my gosh, I had slightly more hits, bro. Let's queue again. I went from 8 people to like 2. Oh my gosh. And I'm lagging my ass off. Let me just hold on. Let me close my browser. Bow. Boom. We have frames now. Let me queue rank. Yeah, my arm is fucked. I can't click anymore, and I can't butterfly anymore either. My aim's gonna be so ass if I don't know. Sometimes I just can't butterfly. But it's too cold. It's negative 30 Celsius right now outside, which is way too cold. But yeah, when it's too cold, I can't butterfly. that well while aiming. I don't know why. Started working out again. Yeah, this guy is probably cheating. Just that name and the ping combination. We're gonna see. Oh no, he's not. This guy's not the greatest. Make sure to consistently do well in unranked before you queue rank. That's my advice. Fight people your skill level, you know what I'm saying? Or like at least win unranked half the time before queuing rank, you know what I'm saying? At least, especially nowadays. Back then, you should have been queuing ranked as soon as possible because nobody good was playing unranked. You just wouldn't improve. But nowadays, you gotta be queuing unranked. It's basically the same game, but like people try their ass off in unranked. Holy shit. Let's try butterfly. Fuck it. I'm a better butterfly clicker. Speed. Ow. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got a message. Gotta finish my unranked game though. I mean my ranked game. My ranked game. Okay. GG. Let me check my messages. Oh wow. Okay, we'll do one more game. Then I'm gone. Let me do the Judah. I wanna copy Judah. Effect name, we're gonna make this red. Ooh, that's tough, huh? That's tough. And then we're gonna set the default. Alright, yeah, that's tough, and then I'm gonna remove. Okay, one more game. And we queued a 1300 player. That's awesome, man. Let me see how well I do. I remember queuing this guy earlier. No, like in an earlier ELA series. Oh my gosh, what was that pearl? I should copy that. Oh my god, my fucking saturation. Bro, I actually hate this game, bro. Saturation, bro. Dukes hates me, bro. Dukes hates me. And Happus and Dukes hate me. Oh my gosh. I could be cute with these fucking 1300 people, man. And so bad. Ah. Oh my gosh. 9 to 13, bro. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's too much. That's too much. Alright,